Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Soumya. Today I'm going to unbox Smashtronics lavalier microphone. I bought this in Amazon for just 499 rupees. Let's open this. On the box we can see that it is compatible with Mac OS and Windows. This microphone can be useful for live streaming on social media. Okay, in the back side we can see that this supports frequency of range 20 Hz to 16 kHz, and also this is plug-in play mic with 3.5 mm audio jack. Okay, let's open this. So here is the mic. The cable is pretty big. I think it might be 1.5 meter. You can see that. Okay, it has a beautiful mini pouch. I like this very much. It's looking very pretty. Let's open this. And this is a converter. Now let's connect to this mobile and we'll check. Just plug the jack and start recording. That's it. I'm not doing any promotion for this. I'm just giving a honest review of the mic. I hope you can hear the difference now. See, you can see the frequency also. I would really like to recommend this microphone for the new YouTubers because this is a budget friendly. If you want to buy this mic, I have given the link in the description. Please go through it. I hope you like this video, and if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please hit a like button. Thanks for watching.